So what's up guys? Good morning sa ating lahat. Nana po tayo hair color for today's video. Ayan po ang kanyang before and then nagpa-highlight with treatment si client. Yan po yung kanyang before and then ayan na po yung after. So ayan po ang highlight with treatment mga kachas. So thank you for trusting me client. So ayan, light highlight lang po siya. Hindi talaga totally white kasi rebanded siya, no? Maring mag-brittle or etc. So kaya yan yung ginawa ko, light lang po yung highlight namin. And then yan po yung pangalawang customer natin na highlight with treatment again. So dating brownish na yung kanyang buhok and then nagpa-highlight si client sa akin. So ayan na po, nakalagay na po tayo ng ating bleaching powder and then that is the result. So ayan, thank you so much for trusting me client. Maraming salamat po sa inyong tiwala sa akin. Bye bye.